Hey you guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika and London. So we have Mr. Caleb here. Say hi.
Hi.
So we are getting ready to, with the hubby, we are getting ready to redesign or rearrange the twins' room. This includes some decluttering of their toys. And say cheese, say hi.
Hi.
So we're getting ready to rearrange their room and declutter a lot of their toys in here. The twins do have a birthday coming up and I'm kind of bored with the way their room is set up. So yeah, while I'm pumped up, this is what I'll be doing. Normally I do not clean with a full face makeup, but if you follow me on Instagram, hey you guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika and Caleb and London. As you guys can see, I'm in the twins' room after they have woken up and basically trashed their room. I am excited because today we are finally going to rearrange their room around. I will tell you guys, this whole makeup look while I'm cleaning, I just don't feel like taking off my makeup. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys already seen I went to brunch and hung out with some friends, did a little shopping. So while I'm in the mood, I'm just gonna get this done. It's a very impromptu because I really want to just come in here and I said, you know what, why not record it in effect with the hubby and the twins so you guys can see how we move. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't, don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If you're wondering what's on my lip, it is the new Fenty purple lipstick and it's very moisturizing. And yeah, if you want to see this look redid, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Talk to you guys soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Lundy, say bye.
Bye. Queen. Say bye.
Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say like.
Like.
Comment.
Come.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright, you guys, so we are done. I hope I got enough footage for you guys, but basically we were able to 360 the room around, declutter a lot of their stuffed animals. As you guys can see, that corner over there is all stuffed animals. We actually got rid of some too because they don't really go for those. That was just our thing for them. It's to collect stuffed animals and books. As you can see, we changed out Caleb's bedding back to Mickey. Lundy has Minnie Mouse. Yeah, so that's where their bedding is. The bear in the middle is always just their bear, Ryan. London having a meltdown. London, you having a meltdown? Meltdown. And then this thing right here is their toy box chest. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll post the link. I got the colorful one, but it does come in like a colorful, a boy color, and a girl color. But I got colorful because you guys know that I have a boy and a girl. And then their dresser came from Target, which when we move, we will be changing out like their whole bedding and theme and everything. Even these cubby cubes, hubby's in the way. But like those cubby cubes, I really do like them. I do want to change those colors out to where, you know, they're neutral for girl and boy, but I love those. Those pretty much keep a lot of their stuff in. So you guys can see some blankets right there and a lot of their baby blankets we decided to leave. I am gonna buy an organizer for their top cube just because, so we can have just things in its place. I love things when they have a home. And then their photos are from canvasprints.com, and I just chose 2 of their baby prints. And then their sleeping prayer, which is their Lord's Prayer. I got this out of Target, so if I can find the link to that, I will. That L is a DIY that we did, that I actually did, and I did that just for Michael's, and London's is over there. So as you guys can see, I pretty much keep their room very, very like simple. They're toddlers, they don't need a lot of stuff. We did put the plugs over on this side of their room where their beds are, so that way they have plugs on each side of the walls. There's not a lot of plugs in here. We only utilize the ones just for their TV. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget the thumbs up. London, say thumbs up. Caleb, you gonna say thumbs up? Say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Say like.
Like.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Comment.
Comment.
See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.